Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video, I will show you how to remove the panel from the wiper assembly. Obviously, the reason why I'm removing it is because this one is absolutely gone, and obviously I will place another one, a second-hand one, to replace this. Okay, the reason highly likely that you will open this is to have access to the motor for the wipers. Okay, so let's start and let me show you how it's done. We will start by removing both wipers. I've shown it to you in a previous video. As I show you, lift it, then you pull it down with the cover up, and then with a spanner of 13 you just unscrew it and we remove it. It is now removed, so now we're gonna remove the two grills. Okay, I've shown you as well in the previous video how to remove them. We need to remove those pins, remove that seal that's there, okay, and we'll be able to remove them. You will have to remove as well the seal that's here. So for me it's a bit of a problem, but anyway, I should be able to take it out. To remove the panel, you will need to remove that nut as well, which is a number 19. Okay, obviously on mine it doesn't show much because it's inexistent, but you'll have to remove it. I've now removed everything I wanted to, and just to make sure you don't lose any parts, make sure you got a bowl to place your stuff in. Okay, now we're gonna open the bonnet, because the last step will be to remove those clips that we've got here on the front. To remove those clips, you probably will see it very bad here because it's rusted, but you will have those 4 clips here. Okay, you will take either a fine screwdriver or a nail, something like this. You will put it on the inside and you will knock it with a hammer. Okay, you do that for the 4, then you'll be able to remove the outer clip after that, and we should be able to remove the cover. Wow. That's it. I now got the part removed. All I have to do now is to remove the years of dirt that I've got inside, clean it very nicely before I place the new part. And as well, I will have to recover the little bits that went inside. So I will have to sort out this very carefully. Okay. For you, for instance, if you got a problem with the wiper, that will be the place to look for. Okay, now you'll be able to dismantle it. You remove the few screws and you should be able to have it. I'm very sorry, I forgot to tell you about those screws. There's one here and one on the other side. Obviously I couldn't see it on my part because mine was in such a bad state, but here on the new one we can see it's held here and as well on the side. Okay, so you remove those 2 screws as well. For the little bits, I've tried to recover it on the inside, but there's so much of rust, so much of dirt, so much of everything that so far I only found one. But anyway, it's not too much of a big deal because the dealership will have other, and it's cheap anyway. I'm giving you a piece of advice. If you got a problem of rust on your car, don't leave it. Don't leave it. Try to treat it as best as possible, even if you can't change the part, or even if you can't have the part welded, etc. At least treat it with rust, because now, for instance, just for that screw, and the other one is just basically stuck inside. So obviously I've tried penetrating oil, I tried hammering it a bit, no way. Obviously the next step will be heat, but with plastic parts here and there, no, that's not a good go. So anyway, I will continue, and at the same time I would like to remind you that if you want to help that channel, you can do so. There's a link on the description of the video where you can support whatever you want. This helped me buying parts like this one, for instance, and then make video which in turn help you as well. Okay, so you don't have to be ripped off by the workshops. Okay, so anyway, let's try and take those 2 out and then we'll mount the part. That's it, it's now done. I'm so happy not to see that big hole full of rust. although below it's full of rust, but anyway, it's one step forward. Okay, and bit by bit I hope to restore that car just the way it should be. Okay, so the two screws that were on the side, remember I couldn't remove them. I finally I've been able to remove them, but no, there's no way I can recover them. They're completely gone. This one is melted with the old piece of steel, okay, and the other one just broke. Okay, so anyway, I will go to the dealership. This is very, very cheap, and I will get two new ones, and that will be done. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. That helped me, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care of yourself.